Hi, myself Professor Jitendra Ingre, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Naugar Bhayandar East. Subject English. Topic Application of Grammar. Course Outcomes. After watching these videos, student able to formulate grammatically correct sentences for the specified situation. Student able to use relevant article in constructing sentences. In our last 3 videos, student studied or student learned how to use articles and where to delete the articles. We already discussed or knows the various rules of using a and the. Also, we know the rules about where and how to delete the articles. If you studied our last 3 videos properly, so you know that how to use the articles. So students, here are some examples or some exercises given. We have to using the correct articles at its right place. In this example, fill in the blank is given. In that, fill in the gap or fill in the blank. We have to use the correct or right article in its right place. If need, so you have to use the article. If there is no need, so you will delete the article. So we see the examples. Complete the following sentences by using the suitable articles a and the. Number 1. Ram goes to dash dash temple every day. In this example, Ram goes to temple every day. Temple, okay. We do not get any specific idea which temple. We do not get the name of the temple, okay. But just give the temple. Every day he goes to the temple means the common sense or general idea we will get there. That's why we use a article. That is, a article is used there. Because the word temple, T begins with the consonant like sound, so we use a, or it is a article in the fill in the gap. Number 2. I brought a new mobile. In this example, new, the word new indicates, okay, or begins with the consonant like sound. That's why we are using a article. Also, the new mobile indicating the single numerical sense. That's why we are using the article. Goa is dash dash paradise of all happiness. Paradise. The rare thing in the world, the unique thing in the world, there is only one paradise in the whole universe. That's why the quality of Goa we compare to the paradise, okay. So the beauty of Goa indicating to the paradise, that's why we use the article. We use the article. Goa is the paradise of all happiness. That is the man is the highest creation of, man is the highest form of creation. In this example, man, okay, used in a common sense or general sense, okay, it's indicating the community. That's why we do not use any article in this example. Number 5. Please open the window. Okay, open the window. Okay, we use the article in the example. Gramophone is dash dash device for recording or reproducing the sound and music. Gramophone is a device. A device. Why we use a article? Because the word device begins with the consonant like sound. That's why we use a article in this example. Also, it gives a single numerical sense. Dash dash inspector of the prison was hated by the prisoner. Inspector. The word inspector begins with the vowel like sound E. We know that A, E, I, O, U, there are the 5 vowels in English. So E is a vowel, that's why we use an inspector. An inspector of prisons was hated by the prisoner. Next, Suresh is dash dash good painter. Suresh is a good painter. Suresh is a good painter. Most of the people in this village are honest. We know that Okay, when superlative form is used, so we use the article. So most of the people in this village are honest. What does that beautiful person she is? Okay, beautiful. Okay, the word begins with consonant like sound, that's why we use O article. Okay, it also gives indefinite sense, that's why we use O article. So what a beautiful person she is. Number 11. Arjun returned after dash dash hour. In this example, hour, okay, after hour means after hour it gives indefinite sense, but the word hour begins with the consonant like sound. Okay, consonant like consonant hour h, but the word begins with, or the pronunciation of the word begins with the vowel like sound, not hour. It is, we pronounce it as a hour. A is a vowel, that's why we use an hour. Arjun returned after an hour. Next, which is the longest river in India? We know that before the name of river, before the name of mountain or universal thing or rare thing in the world, we use the article. Also, the superlative form is already used in the example, longest. So, before superlative form, we use the article. Which is the longest river in the India? Okay, so the article used. Next, an umbrella is the useful thing during rainy season. Useful thing, use. We know that A, E, I, O, U, U is a vowel, but here when we pronounce the word use, okay, it is not pronounced as like a U, it is like a U. So, it indicates the consonant like sound. That's why we use a article. An umbrella is a useful thing during rainy season. Number 14. Not everyone gets that opportunity to become famous. Opportunity. The word begins with vowel like sound. That's why we use an article. Not everyone gets an opportunity to become a famous. Number 15. Life is like that concert. Concert, an event or a program. So the concert, the word begins with consonant like sound, that's why we use O article, because it gives a single numerical sense. The life is like a concert, but it gives us indefinite sense. 16. That the science of life is not completed as rocket science. The science of life, because it gives the definite sense, that's why we use the science of life is not as complicated as a rocket science. Next, my friend is dash MA in Sanskrit. Here, MA in Sanskrit, the word MA begins with the consonant, but when we pronounce it, it indicates the vowel like sound, MA, it is A. So that's why we use an MA, not O. When we pronounce Master of Art, so word begin with consonant like sound, Ma. So that time we use O article, but when we make a short form of the word MA, so it pronounced like the M, that is A. The beginning sound is A, that's why we use an article. My friend is an MA in Sanskrit. Next, the time flies as fast as dash eagle. Okay, it gives indefinite sense, and the word eagle begins with the vowel like sound, that's why we use an article. The word time flies as fast as an eagle. 19. Sanskrit is dash difficult language. Difficult language. Okay, the word begins with the consonant like sound, that's why we use O article. Also, it gives the indefinite sense, it gives the common sense, that's why we use A, and A is, why we use A? Because the word begins with consonant like sound. So Sanskrit is a difficult language. Last, he is dash efficient employee. Last, he is That's just efficient employee. In this example, efficient, the word begins with the vowel-like sound. It also gives indefinite idea, indefinite sense. That's why we use an article. He is an efficient employee. So, student, these are some examples of using article. And if you learn all these 4 videos properly, you should know that where to use and how to use the article properly. If you proper uses of articles, you do not have any problem by using article in English grammar. So thank you. Best of luck to you.